Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to be joining the Craft Stash End of Summer YouTube Hub. The co-brands and design team members have got together and will be sharing a lot of inspirations and ideas using many different products, all available at great prices on Craft Stash website. In the description box below this video, you will find a list of all participants and who to watch next. So after this video, please head over to the next one listed below. You can also find a lot of products that I will be using today in a description box below. And remember, if you are VIP, you can also enjoy extra discount on top. So please share the love and like, comment and subscribe to each channel. And there will be a list of products on Craft Stash website which will be discounted at 50% off, so there will be a lot of products for you to enjoy. So let me show you what I'm going to use today. So first of all, I'm going to use they are all texture products because as part of being on the design team, I'm going to use texture products. So I'm using the Floral and Fauna die set. Of course, I've got some of them ready here. I've got this sentiment panel die set. It's this one, Good Vibes Only. And I'm going to use this geometric design background. So let me put all those aside and start my project. So I prepared myself the slimline white card base with a top fold here. Let me see if you can see everything. And I already embossed this panel. So what I did, you can use this 6x6 embossing folder. And what I did, I embossed half of it or more than a half, and then I lined it up exactly and I embossed the other part. So you can actually do a bigger piece if you want. So do not be worried that because you've got 6x6, you have to stick with 6x6 or smaller. You can go bigger if you wish. So let me put this one on my card base. I was actually thinking to ink it, but when I started to think about that, let me grab another glue. I thought, no, let me keep it nice and bright because of the summer hop. We decided, all of us, to go bright and bold. So I picked a few colors and I decided to do this one, this panel in this light blue for my sentiment to pop. So I'm pressing this down and this one is ready. So I was thinking to use this navy blue to die cut Good Vibes Only, and I'm going to use something else. So I will need to bring that cutting die back, and then I'm going to use this adhesive white foam sheets. So you can get those on Craft Stash as well. These are Creative Craft products and they come in white and they come in black. Let me show you. This is the black double-sided, as you can see, foam sheets. These are, I think, A5 size. So what I'm going to do, and there is a little trick to this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that foam to the size. And when you're going to die cut it, you just die cut it forward once, never go back, because then the die can shift and you're not going to have a nice cut. So let me cut it off camera and then I will be back. So it looks like this. So now what you need to do, you need to release the die and then grab yourself a pokey tool. So with the pokey tool, release the backing paper from the top. It can be a bit fiddly, but once you do it, the effect is just amazing. You don't have to think about putting bits and pieces, because those sheets are really super handy and I like using that. So remember just to die cut it forward once, and that's it. And then remove the backing paper from the words, and then before you release it from the sheet, you need to place that die cut on top. So let me just play with it. So if you have a look, I only removed the backing paper from the words, so then I can, without releasing it from the sheet, I'm placing my die cut over it. Just need to maneuver it into place, press it. Going to do the top as well. And then once you have it, then you release it from the sheet. So as you can see, I removed all the beads, and now I'm going to place this one in the center of my card, and I can start playing with those beautiful flowers. So as you can see, it gives this beautiful effect. And did I remove the backing paper from this bead? No. And you can use the black double-sided sheets or white, and depending on what kind of effect you're looking for, and then you have to pick the color which suits your project. So yes, let me just move this one, because this one moved a little bit. Yes. And let me show you how it looks like. It gives this raised effect, which I really like. And you don't have to play with placing a double-sided foam under that sentiment. So now I'm going to put the flowers in a nice composition and see which way I like it. So I cut them, as you can see, in 3 different colors, and I put them together. It was such a nice way to actually play with them, because they are so pretty, and it was really nice to actually cut them in those colors. So I cut them in one color first, and then I went with different colors to create this beautiful flowers. So yes, let me start actually putting all the leaves. Of course, you've got the leaves to go with them, and if you haven't got this collection, then just go over to Craft Stash. I'm going to link everything below the video so you can check it out. And those products will be on 50% discount. So if you want to go and check out those floral folk flowers, then I think it would be very nice. And what I'm going to do with flowers, actually, I'm going to use, maybe, see, those leftovers are really handy because you can still use them. And I'm going to actually put them under the flowers. I'm adhering the leaves flat, but flowers, I decided just now that I will actually raise them a little bit, so it will give this beautiful nice dimensional effect. I'm going to put this one here. I just need to buy some more glue, because the one I had from Craft Stash is just finished, so that's why I'm using a different one. And you see, those beads are really handy, so don't throw that away. You can still use it for something else. And these are just perfect for this. Yeah, you see, it looks really pretty now. I really want to go for something lighter here, so I'm going to adhere this one. And again, I'm going to add, oh, it's jumping. I'm going to add a little bit of that foam again, because I think I just love dimensional projects, and yes, this is how I like creating. And I'm going to add some more leaves just to fill up the composition. So I hope you will like this project, and I hope you're going to try something very similar. I like this yellow one, and I'm going to find this little bit of the foam again. And I know that I had those beautiful leaves as well. There are so many different elements in this Flora and Fauna set that yes, and there is so many things to pick from, so you have to check it out definitely. And I hope you're enjoying this hop, because there are so many fabulous crafters and designers and joining in. There is quite a long list, so I hope you've got something to drink. And yeah, I like the top already, and I think I will just focus now on the bottom of my card. I will probably add some more, but I can always do that a bit later as well. So yes, let me look for, I like this colorful, those colors are just so pretty. I hope you like it as well. I've done very similar card when Lou launched the collection. I've done with the black background, and I hope you've seen that one. If not, then you can check out my social media. You can see all my social media below the video, so you can have a look. See if you're new to my channel. I would really appreciate if you would have a look at my other video tutorials, and maybe you want to subscribe and see what I do on my channel. It would be really nice. And of course, as always, I would love to hear from you guys. What did you like? What would you change, for example, in this project? And yes, whatever you want to tell me, I'm really open to your comments, and if you want to give me some tips, maybe. I love reading comments, so yes, don't be shy. So as you can see, my composition is yeah, it's getting fuller, and I think a few more elements and it will be done. Just didn't want to keep you very long, because of course you want to see others as well. So I'm really curious if you've got this collection, and have you worked with this one already? If not, then yes, are you going to give it a go? Maybe I want to use maybe this one. I want to use that one as well. No, I need this one, something darker. I'm going to add this one. So as you can see, this foam is really useful, and it's so handy to have even that left over, because we as crafters, we love using all the bits and pieces. At least I do. Yeah, I think that's enough. Maybe I can add this one. I like this blue. See, no, I'm going to add the leaf now. And maybe this one somewhere over here. And of course, for the flowers, I just need that a little bit of foam, just to lift it up a little bit, just to give more dimension to this project. doesn't work. No, it's fine here. So I think that's more than enough. And also let me look through the camera so I can see if I need some sparkle. You can see that there is so much dimension in with those layers and those flowers. And I would of course add some glitter as well, but let me see if I want to add. It feels like I want to stop now, but let's see, maybe I can add some sparkles as well. I've got those tiny sequins here. Let me see if I can catch them. Yes, and I think I will add them, at least few. So of course I need a little bit of glue. Add that here. And I think I will add another one here maybe. And let me try to find something very similar to that one. I think I have it. Yeah, I think that's enough. Just a little bit of something. So as you can see, this is the finished card. It has lots of dimension and the colors are really nice, bright and vivid. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to list all the products below the video. Are you a VIP member? If not, you can find the link below, and which is going to tell you how to join. And remember to like, comment and subscribe, and go over to the next video, which of course I'm going to list all the information below the video so you can check it out. Of course, there is 50% off on some of the products, so check that one as well. So I hope you enjoyed this project. I really like it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what do you think about it, and if you are new to my channel, check out my channel. Maybe you're going to find something more interesting as well. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and stay with me a bit longer. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.